Welcome to Bringing Butterflies to Your Garden, a step-by-step guide. In this video, we'll explore some simple techniques to attract these delicate creatures to your garden and create a magnificent butterfly haven. So let's get started. Step 1. All animals need 3 things to thrive: food, water, and shelter. Don't worry about the shelter, they'll take care of that one for you. An adult butterfly's food is nectar from flowers, so they will need a variety of plants that provide them with a continuous nutrient source. Examples of good nectar plants include Mexican sunflower, sulfur cosmos, narrow-leaf Mexican zinnias, gomphernas, heliotrope, French marigolds, lantana, moss verbena, fragrant phlox, perennial asters, bee balm, coreopsis, sedum, and yarrow. They're also attracted to nasturtiums, petunias, and sunflowers. The brush-footed butterflies, which include the monarch and the red admiral, will visit violets and everlastings of the aster family. Many species of butterflies prefer specific host plants. For instance, the black swallowtail feeds on dill and celery plants. If found growing in your garden, preserve native wildflowers such as milkweed. Monarch butterflies lay eggs exclusively on milkweed plants. By planting or allowing these host plants to grow in the garden or on the property, you'll provide a welcoming environment for the next generation of butterflies. Black-eyed Susans and coneflowers are also excellent choices. These plants not only provide nectar, but also serve as host plants for butterfly larvae. Step 2. Provide water and moisture. Butterflies need water to drink and often prefer shallow sources. Consider adding a small bird bath or a shallow dish with wet sand for them to sip from. Step 3. Create a butterfly sunning area. Butterflies are cold-blooded and need warmth to fly and to be active. By placing some flat rocks or pebbles in a sunny spot, you'll create a perfect area for them to bask in the sun's rays to warm up their wings. Step 4. Minimize pesticide applications, which can harm both larvae and adults. Try gardening methods that use natural alternatives to managing pests, such as hand picking, barriers, or be willing to suffer some damage. If you must use pesticides, specifically insecticides, use organic products with low toxicity to non-target insects. And try to avoid spraying on the plant parts where the butterflies and the larvae are found. Step 5. Observe and learn. Spend time in your garden observing the butterflies. Take note of their preferences, behaviors, and the different species you encounter. This will deepen your understanding and help you to make further improvements. Also, consult butterfly organizations or your local university extension office to see if they have any bulletins or booklets on butterflies for your state or region. Here's an example of a booklet available for Michigan. Finally, I encourage you to take action and start transforming your garden and yard into a butterfly paradise. By following these simple steps, you'll attract a wide variety of butterflies and skippers, adding beauty and vibrancy to your outdoor space. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, by creating a butterfly-friendly environment, you'll not only provide a sanctuary for these incredible creatures, but also contribute to the preservation of our natural ecosystem, which will certainly be a benefit to your entire family. Happy gardening, and may your garden be filled with the wonder and beauty of butterflies. This is Gary. Maybe you'll see me in the next video. Bye.